am Veena Krupala, graphologist, mind coach, founder and CEO of MulteArts. So I am here to share what are the upcoming workshops we have in the MulteArts. So in MulteArts, we just piped up with very good workshops. First one is drawing. So there are 3 levels in the drawing, which is like, basic, intermediate and advanced. Basic will be at the 4 p.m, intermediate will be at the 5 p.m, advanced will be at the 6 p.m. So the batch is going to start in March 15th. You people can sign up. Weekly there are 5 classes and the price is $15.99. So another workshop we are planning for this summer is Spanish, which going to be start on March 17th to 21st. Weekly it will be like 5 classes and the price is $999 and you people can sign up for that. The timings are 3 p.m. So the next workshop, which is very interesting because it is a wholly special workshop, which is a yoga. There are like 3 batches for this, which is like 8:30 a.m. batch, 11:30 a.m. batch, 6:30 a.m. batch. You people are going to get monthly 20 classes and it will be like 1800. This batch is going to start from March. So there are so many workshops we are planning for this summer. You can engage yourself and your kids too. Just explore our platform, which is www.multearts.com. Sign up there and see a lot more free sessions also we are planning in this summer. I hope you have a great summer ahead and learn any creative skills which gonna improve yourself and as well as your kids. Have a great day.